So hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Discord. So today's problem is to count foreign buildings. So we have given a 2D array of buildings and the number of coordinates that we have to consider. The first is the I have plot the coordinates of given test case in this graph, and we have to find out the number of buildings that are covered from all the direction to the one building. The like in this example test case, there is only one building that are covered from all the four directions. So for this test case, the output is one. So for this problem, the like for every building of x comma y, we we have to check if there is a building left of same row and a smaller y, if there is a building right of same row and a larger y, uh, if there is a building up of same column and smaller x, and a building down of same column of larger x. For that, we have condition like x1 is less than x less than x2. So this is our point that we have considered now, and we have to find out the smaller value from this current point and the larger value from this current point. And also same for y, that is y1 is less than y less than y2. Same for y coordinate also, we have to find out a smaller value from a current point of y1 and a larger value from current point is y2. So for that we have to make two hash map. Like for that we can find out x x is mapped with multiple coordinates of y up to n, and y is mapped with multiple points of x up to n points. So for that I have used a map, and in this map we have to these coordinates we have to store in sorted manner, because we have to find out the smaller value and larger value. So we can also use list here, but for list we have to do sorting and also find out the nearer points like smaller value and larger value for that. So for that we can use a tree set. So for that, in the tree set there is a two method, uh, like there is a two method like uh, lower and higher. In this method, in this like if we use these functions, then we can find out the uh, less value of current less value of less value from the current coordinates, and the uh, greater value from the current coordinates by using uh, only one tree set, by using tree set. So then yeah, and by using tree set we can find out the like lower is work like I can I will see you show you like if we have multiple points, if you consider this point, then if we apply lower, then we can find out the nearer points like lower, then we can get this point. If we apply higher on this point, then we get this point. So we can find out the uh, neighbor points from the current point. That's why I have used the tree set. So yeah, so let's see the code for this question. So first of all, yeah, uh, 1 second. Yeah, so first of all, we have to make two hash maps with tree set, map with city set. Yeah, so we map with two column first. We can also make second hash map, and we can also map second hash map with tree set. That is column to row is equal to new hash map. Yeah. So after that, we traverse the array. Okay. So we find out the first find out the x and y coordinates. And the y coordinate. After that, we initialize the hash map. It is row to column dot compute if absent. We use compute if absent because if there is a first time we have to use this because uh, first time there is no tree set. That's why I have used computing absent, because if the value is null, then also it will initialize the tree set. Now you can understand, like first time this will use this, like initialize the tree set if the value is null. That's why I have used computing absent. Same as for second hash map. In second hash map, we map y coordinates with x coordinates. Yeah, so after that, I have initialized two hash map. So after that, we again traverse the 2D array. First of all, we have to initialize the counter. Yeah. Again, we have to find out the x and y coordinates. After that, we consider all the directions. Like first of all, left, column dot get x dot lower y. Yeah, I have used integer because if we use only int, then it will get error if the value is null. And also, the lower function is find out the uh, lower value than current value, nearby lower value than current value. Second one is integer right is equal to row to column dot get x dot higher y. After that, integer up is equals to column to row dot get y dot lower x. Last one is integer down is equals to column to row dot get y dot higher x. And the final condition that we have to check, that left left is not equal to null, right is not equal to null, up is not equal to null, and down also not equal to null. If these four conditions satisfy, then we increase our counter. Okay, then after we return the counter value. First of all, let's check that example test case is pass or not. Okay, let's submit the code.